Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies, Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing and it's this. Yeah, it's quite a big box. And if you've been watching my videos on my second build on my PC, you'll know that I've ordered this. If you haven't, then you don't. So basically, there should be two fans in here, and I thought, Jesus, that's a big box for two fans. Two fans at 12 centimetres. So it should be the Sahara 12 centimetre Pirate Turbo True RGB fans. Ordered two because I want them to go on top of the case, and I'll show you that in a picture. And so that would put six in there. So I'd have six fans in there. So I've got three at the front, one at the back, and I want to put two at the top. So that's what this is for. Well, hopefully, I mean it's a big box, quite heavy for two fans. So it'd be interesting to see what's actually inside. So with that, I'll move the camera down a bit so you can see that rather than see me. Actually, I'll move it back here, so you probably get a better view back here. So let's do the unboxing then, shall we? So that down there. I think this is my first UPS box delivery actually that I've ever had. Don't remember having from UPS before. I mean, it come from Amazon. That's the thing that got me. It come from Amazon. Yeah, it's in a UPS, so it's obviously a third party involved. Right, let's see how easy you are trying to do. And Jesus, I just thought we were going to cut it in the way it comes, and it looks a bit sticky. Let's try that again, standing up. Don't want to cut myself, do I? In that nostril. That'd be funny. How'd you cut yourself, sir? I was opening the box. I was doing an unboxing. That's well stuck, isn't it? It definitely comes from one side or the other, so it's just a question of tearing it open, I suppose. Oh, here we go. We're through. Well, I'll give them that. It's well packaged, well protected. And I won't be doing a retake, will I? Come on. Wow. So anyway, got it open. Oh, looks like some other bits in there. Look, see that? Can you see inside? Alright, let's see what's in here, shall we? So there's the first fan. What else got? There's my other fan. So that's what I ordered. Two fans, that's all I ordered. What else is in here? And something else. So nothing else in the box. What is this? Oh, it's a gaming mouse pad. Oh, very good. So I got that. I didn't realise I was getting that. So it must be part of the package. So we'll have a look at that in a minute. I really didn't know I was getting that. So let's have a look. Specifications, dimensions 120 by 120 by 25, so 25mm thickness, and 120 because it's square anyway. Noise level 23.5 decibels, so nice and quiet. So let's have a look. Let's get it out, shall we, and have a look. Do it from the bottom. Better move me up a bit. So I'm only going to take one out just to have a quick look. So well packaged. There's your 4 screws for mounting it onto the case, PC case. Nice bit of padding there for protection of the fan. See that? It looks nice. Looks like a jet engine sort of blade, doesn't it? A nice flat lead. So that goes into the control box at the back of my computer case. I showed that in the video earlier as well. I'll try and put some links in there for you in case you want to watch the final part or look around the case. So it says Sahara, so it's genuine parts. Feels like a nice bit of quality. I suppose you get what you pay for. Not the cheapest fans to buy, but like I say, you get what you pay for. So that should be, the other one should be exactly the same. So it says Pirate 12 centimetre RGB fan turbo by Sahara. So that's that. So that's the unboxing of that. I want to see what's in here because I really didn't know I was going to get this. iRock C10 gaming mouse pad. That's what it says. I do use a mouse pad. No, you don't have to nowadays. So at the moment I'm using this. Thought it was quite good. I have it long way because it's better. I find it better. So we're going to do the unboxing of this now. Now a little bonus. I could do a separate video, couldn't I? 2 for the price of 1. Right. Is there anything else in there? Oh, just one of them little stop it going off sort of things, smelly things. Unravel it. Rock. Oh, quite like that. Nice shape, different. See that? Rock. Rocks series. Okay. iRocks. Down in the bottom there. Right. Perhaps you do, perhaps you don't. It's about the same size as my. Oh no, it's a little bit longer. It's a little bit longer than my other one. Don't know if you can see that. Slightly longer, probably about an inch longer. Move that way, don't want to cut this off. I'll hold them up. Or try and hold them up. See that? So it's definitely longer. About the same width. Yeah, same width, approximately. Actually, my old ones are a little bit wider. But yeah, it smells quite nice. Well, yeah, so I'm going to use that for a little while. So you can go in retirement for a while. That goes on my printer. We're going to use the rock because iRocks, hopefully. Yeah, it feels right. Anyway, this video wasn't about that, but that's, you know, just a nice little bonus, I thought. And it could be because of the price of delivery. £5.50 for delivery. I thought it was a lot of money. But there you go. I wanted the proper fans. I didn't want other market ones. I wanted ones that's already come with the case. So that's why I went for these. And they do feel nice. And obviously that's for the RGB lighting. They turn really nice. And I think it's well made. Looking at it, it looks really good. So yeah, I should be sticking them in, and what I'll do a video, maybe on all on this, and show you up and running. It probably will be actually, because it'll only be a quick one once I do an install. It shouldn't take too long. Right, so that's it. So that is the unboxing of my new fans, or my extra fans that I've ordered from Sahara for my computer. My second computer case, which is under there at the moment, with its lovely, all its lovely colours flashing away. So if you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.